Time live. Now, guys, we took this opportunity to talk about something that happened to me personally. I'm so grateful for the platform to be able to discuss these things that are happening in our country and all over the world, in fact, that shouldn't happen. So, my phone fell and broke, right?
Okay.
Desperate. I'm a good like a 6S Plus. I need a new phone.
Right.
So I reached out to somebody online because, you know, on Instagram, there's all these ads popping up about iPhone, iPhone, iPhone. You know, buy a phone, buy a phone. Everybody, I sell them. iPhone 13, iPhone 12. So I reached out to somebody and I was like, look, I'm interested in this phone, blah, blah, blah. We had a long conversation and everything. But because I'm an intelligent woman, right, I know that you cannot be you can't be buying something offline without protecting yourself a little bit, right? Obviously, I'm an idiot. So I said to the gentleman that or whoever it was I was talking to online, send me your driving license, your TRN, your NIS. I want a photograph of you in situation now, all this good stuff. So if anything happened, I want to make sure, say, I know who to find, I know where to find them, all that good stuff, right? Did all the right things, I thought. Everything looked good, everything sounded good, pictures of the phone, picture, TRN, tax, everything good. Then I said, send me the bank account info. The man sent the bank account info. It looked like it matched identically to the driving license.
Driver's license.
The driver's license. So me, I think, say, ting up. Send my good $80,000, send it gone. So you're paying half up front and then half after. Look on the
page. Piece of food, my friend.
So I sent the money and then he's like, cool, cool. I was actually at an event, actually Richard Stephen at the time and doing it online and whatever. Went to go pick up the phone. Hello? I'm not dead. Okay. Now call. Hello. This is Apple Nation JA, by the way. I've since come to understand there's about 900 Apple Nations on Instagram with very Apple_nation.j.a.
So which one is the right one?
Okay, let me tell you what happened. So when I got home that night, I was waiting for 4 hours. I didn't get the phone. When I got home that night, I obviously went back on Instagram. I was like, what the hell is happening? I didn't get my phone. I tagged them. I tagged various people. They then blocked me. Then they went on to change their name. So at the time, it was Apple_nation.j.a.
Oh.
So they blocked me and everything. I sent it out on social media.
So this is the official Apple.
Exactly.
Apple,
so I want to say there is an Apple Nation store in Barbican.
So okay, so I'm just jumping right now to say, okay, so you have an official Apple Nation Jamaica, which is just one word. Apple Nation Jamaica. So that, as you said, it's in Barbican.
There's a store in Barbican.
Located at Barbican Road Commercial Complex, Shop 1.
I'm just telling you the name that happened to me. This is no reflection on that person. It's not on them.
So it's not them.
Okay.
Good.
So then now, DJ Narrative, big up yourself, he reached out to me and he was like, just so you know, they've changed their name from Apple Nation J.A to Apple Nation _hub, something like that. And they keep changing their name and all that kind of good stuff. The person's still talking to me, still communicating with me, like, oh, sorry about yesterday, let me get the phone to you, whatever. Suffice to say, I did not get the phone. They kept my money, and they tried to keep my money and not giving us the phone.
Right.
Luckily, Bobby Finzi Smith, big up yourself. Bobby, big up yourself, because Bobby was like, hell no. Not my friend, that not gonna work out. The police got really, really involved as well. So when I went to New Kingston Police, what do you call it? Police station, they dealt with it as well and people got involved. So I just want to say, persons at home that's gone through this kind of scamming stuff, don't give up. A lot of people say, people don't take this seriously. Like, police don't really care. They really cared. I got my money back. Things are happening, locations are being searched, addresses have been searched, things are happening, things are moving, and I'm grateful to have this platform to be able to, talk about it, so we're all...
yeah, I think that's cyber fraud. I think there's actually a department...
Cybercrime, but cyber is different it's a little different because I voluntarily sent my money. So, you know, normally when they steal it's fraud. When they steal your ID and identification and do all this kind of stuff, cyber gets involved. Right. But when you've been scammed, sending your money to something, it's a different department. It's a fraud department. And so it's a little bit different.
Yeah, they actually have different police departments who specialize in these type of things. So, and once again, the JCF oftentimes get a beaten for things that they don't do.
Yeah.
our handle.
So I think that's why we have to big them up and say thank you. I want everybody out there to know, like, speak up. And because a lot of persons feel stupid. You've been scammed. Oh, yeah, idiot. Yeah, idiot. Or if you send your money, go. You know, but I was like, listen, let me come here, be vulnerable, show you my humanity. I did something. I made a mistake. I got taken advantage of. I'm going to let everybody know. So hopefully you guys learn from my foolishness and don't let it happen to you.
I'm happy that it worked out for you.
Yeah.
I really am.
Lots of people are being scammed.
Big up to the persons who came together.
Everybody on Instagram, but in social media.
The comedic part of me, though,
shut your mouth,
but you say you feel like you've been taken advantage of. Stuff like that. Like, this is how every man feels at even one point in
every woman feels. So look how long me watching. Every
man has been scammed even one point in their life.
Daytime Live. We'll be right back with Ignore Doctor and Angus Shepherd. Don't buy a phone online. You hear? Going at the storefront. Daytime Live. We'll be right back with Mix. Stick and stay. We'll soon come.